Dear students, in today's lecture, we are going to convert converting from 2's complement format to Denry number. Let's take an example. Example 1, 0, 1, triple 0, 1, 4 times zeros. This is the Mantissa having of 10 bits. Uh, Exponent is given here, that is 4 times zeros, double 1, and total bits for the exponent is 6, and for Mantissa it's 10. Now we are going to convert this question from 2's complement format to its equivalent Denry floating point. Step number 1, what I have to do is the exponent is positive because it starts with 0, and the exponent is equal to 4 times 0 is double 1, so convert it into binary numbers. So we will get the required answer 3, because 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. As the Mantissa is equal to 0, 1, triple 0, 1, 4 times zeros. What I have to do right now, if the Mantissa was negative, so perform 2's complement to convert it into positive number. But right now the Mantissa is positive, so there is no need to take its 2's complement. Then in the next new step, what I have to do right now, convert this 0 into point. I have wrote here this point, and rest of the digit to be written as it is. If the Mantissa is negative, then we must take its 2's complement. But right now, no need to take its 2's complement because the Mantissa is positive. And as we know that the exponent is equal to 3, that is positive 3. So move 3 places to the right. When the exponent is positive 3, so then we must move it to the right. If the exponent is negative, then we must move it to the left side. So move it. This is 1 point, this is 2, this is 3. 3 point इसको move करने के बाद हमारे पास 100.01 4 times zeros are. Now convert into Denry numbers. So what I will to do right now, this is 1 to 4. 1 to 4, that is further equal to 4. Then in order to convert 0, 1 and 4 times 1 into its equivalent Denry number, so 0 multiplied with 2 power minus 1, 1 multiplied with 2 power minus 2, 0 multiplied with 2 power minus 3, 0 multiplied with 2 power minus 4, 0 multiplied with 2 power minus 5, and 0 multiplied with 2 power minus 6. This is 4 we have already. 0 into 2 power minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So इसको जब नीचे हम डिनोमिनेटर में शिफ्ट करते हैं, that is further equal to 1 divided by 4, and rest of the numbers are 0. 1 divided by 4 is equal to 0.25. So add 4 plus 0.25, that is further equal to 4.25. So we can write here the given number the given number 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 is equal to 4.25 in dynamic numbers. So that was just a question regarding how to convert from 2's complement format to binary numbers.